So, I'm a software engineer, and I've learned a lot of programming language, like a JavaScript, Python, Kotlin, Java, anything else. Then one day, I thought how did all this invented? And what was the mindset from the first time all of this was created? Let's find out on the internet. So, from what I got from the internet, the history of computer began with a young Englishman, Carlos Babbage. Carlos Babbage was a scientist from England, where he thought of making a machine that could calculate a calculation automatically. Then the difference engine was thought of. Difference engine is made for an automatic calculation, which is usually calculated manually. However, the machine is limited to polynomial calculation only. From that limitation, then he thought of making an even more powerful machines that could calculate many calculations. Then he thought of analytical engine. By the time finding ran out for his difference engine in 1833, he had conceived of something far more revolutionary, a general-purpose computing machine called the analytical engine. The analytical engine is designed to be able to perform any preset calculations. There are four important components in the machine: the mill, the store, the reader, and the printer. By using punch card as a data storage medium that will be inserted into the machine and read by the machine. Is it very complex to understand this machine? But there is a YouTube that explains everything in full, namely Michael Ho's video. From the picture, you can see the complexity, right? Look at the YouTube video to understand in more detail. Okay, we continue to the last discussion, the Hollerith machine. In the late 19th century, the United States had problem processing census data. It takes a long time and even years to process so much community data, because it was all calculated manually. Yups, by hand, manually writing. Herman Hollerith had the idea to build a machine that could do all these calculations automatically. And he invented the tabulating machine, or also called the Hollerith machine. Hollerith machine is a machine specifically designed to help process data quickly and efficiently, especially for census needs in the United States in 1890. There are four important components in this machine, namely punch card, the reader, counter, and tabulation. Punch cards are a physical data storage media. Each punch card contains a different piece of information, such as name, age, gender, or the others. All are indicated by the position of the holes made in the punch card media. Then the punch card is inserted into the Hollerith machine. Where is the Hollerith machine? There are a series of pins or needles that are used to read the holes in the card. When the needle passes through the hole, it will detect that there is data on the card, which is part of the data identification. From this process, the machine can perform an automatic calculation. For example, how many total men there are from the data obtained, or the number of certain age. After the calculation is done, the result will be compiled in the form of a table that shows a summary of data that has been processed. The machine can print this tabulated result on paper, or send the result to another device for further processing. From this way of working, the Hollerith machine is limited only to function: summative, counting, grouping, and sorting. Okay, from the Hollerith began to emerge a system of automation data sorting. The success of the Hollerith machine encouraged Herman Hollerith to establish a company. He eventually sold his company to a conglomerate in 1911, which eventually renamed itself the International Business Machine Corporation, or also we call it now as an IBM, in 1924. Okay, that's it.